Hello everyone, I am Stanley. Today I'm gonna show you how to assemble this 3D printed Broly. You can see several boxes of printed Broly models sorted out by me right in front of me. These are TPU parts. These are PLA parts. We use TPU for the flexible inner skeleton and PLA for the outer shell. Combined this way, the figure boasts excellent articulation. Today I'll show you how to assemble this Broly figure. All the finished printed parts are now in these boxes. Next up, the first step is to remove all the supports. Okay, let's do it! Alright, we've finished trimming all the parts. First, let's start with the head. You can see there's a ball and socket joint inside here. So we find the matching red hemispherical ball joint to fit into this spot. Then we slot it into the head. Here's another way to do it. We have a connecting rod for the neck and head. Then I can slip the ball socket onto this rod first. The other end of the rod also connects to an identical ball socket. They're the same size. Then take the neck piece and push it into place. Or we can insert the ball cap first. Then insert the neck connecting rod afterward. And that's fitted in. Then align the middle section to the correct position and slot the head on. Okay, the head assembly is done. Now let's move on to the neck. The ball socket here has a square base. Broly only has 2 square-based ball sockets in total. One looks like this. This one is longer. This one goes inside the torso. The other one is shaped like this. Then I'll fit this into the neck. You can see it's fitted inside. Since Broly has lots of spiky hair, it's awkward to hold in hand, so I assemble it this way instead. Then we can push this part in next. The head assembly is finished. Next up, let's assemble the torso. The torso cavity is split into 2 parts, a front chest piece and a rear back shell. First, find the 2 small octagonal prisms here. First, locate this octagonal prism. There are 2 small octagonal prisms. Then find the positions for the 2 shoulders, also known as butterfly joints by many people. This octagonal prism has a hollow section in the middle. Now push it in like this. Okay, let's get the other piece. Then insert this one the same way. Okay. Then attach it to the shoulders. press it down like this. Press down on this side too. Okay. Next, close up the back piece. Once pressed into place, it'll look like this. And this is the chest part. Next, we can attach the head. I'd suggest taking the head off first, since the hair parts are sharp. Then press the head into place. Next, let's assemble the belly part. Here's the belly section. Locate the second cube we mentioned earlier. Insert it in from here. It slides in easily. There's still a bit of leftover support here. Then attach the belly to the main body. Okay. The part below the body is the pants section. We'll put that together later, since there's also a skirt piece to attach. Speaking of the skirt, there's a small accessory on it. This one. Okay. All right, let's move on to the arms. First, let's take a look at the structure of the arms. This is the shoulder. This is the upper arm. And this is the forearm. Then connect it to the hand. This part requires our TPU joints. Because TPU is flexible while PLA is rigid. This combination ensures a tight fit. So before we start assembling this part, first, let me explain this type of structure. All the structures I designed here are joints. So I've put markers on the sides of these pieces. You can see a triangle on its outer side. This triangle faces the outer side. It means this is the left arm. This is our left arm piece, which corresponds to the character's right arm. I call this joint connecting to the upper arm L1. So we need to find L1 among these joints. Take a look at the bottom of the joint. It's labeled R2 here, but the marking is a little blurry. It's marked L2 here. L2 refers to the lower part of the elbow joint. It's right at this position. We can fit it in now. All right, let's look for L1 next. It's marked L1 here. This one is located above the elbow. So we need to find a cylindrical piece here. Insert it in. Then put this one in as well. Sometimes it's hard to insert the cylinder here, which may be caused by leftover support material, or the overhang sagged during printing. It's impossible to get a perfectly round shape with 100% precision in printing. This issue may occur. In that case, try rotating it a little. Rotate the joint, then push the red TPU part inward. Great, now we've finished assembling the hand joint. Alright, now find the left arm that faces outward. Then find the matching outward-facing TPU piece for the left side. This upward-facing TPU piece has an opening like this. One side is flat, and the other has a concave center. The inner parts of the thighs are the same, especially the upper sections. Actually, we have 4 joints like this in total. Take all of them out. You can clearly see 2 taller ones and 2 shorter ones. The taller ones are for the thighs. The shorter ones are for the arms. Insert the arm pieces in this orientation. Align it in this direction and push it in, and you're done. Then take a look. This part faces outward. Push it into place. Okay. The upper arm is assembled now. This is the TPU piece for the lower arm. It has a notch on this side and a spherical socket at the bottom. First, insert it from here. Just like this. Next, find this arm part. Now insert the arm in. The forearm joint may be a bit tight. Now locate the left shoulder piece. This should be the one. Insert the shoulder part in. Next, let's move on to the hands. I've prepared 3 different hand styles in total. There are fist-shaped, open-handed poses, and this style as well. Their connecting joints all match L3 or R3 respectively. Let's use this hand as an example first. I quite like this pose. Now fit the hand into place. Okay. Pick the shortest cylindrical piece and insert it here. Okay. Then attach the hand to the wrist and it's done. The left arm is all set now. We need to connect the arm and shoulder with this joint piece. Then attach the arm to the body. It fits pretty snugly. That's how the arm is assembled. Now let's work on the other arm. Take a look at this part here. There are some flaws from overhang printing, so let's trim it a little. Okay, it looks much better now. Okay, it's done. Okay, then install the forearm. Now we can use this hand. Now let's take a closer look at the hand joint. This is because it's an interchangeable pose hand. So I purposely made the fit a little loose. The other parts are quite hard to take apart, but the arms are easy to remove. You can pull it off with a little force, since the connecting groove here is shallow. So we can swap it out later, and this hand will work too. Let's give it a try. The peg on this hand is designed to fit the energy orb. It looks just like firing an energy blast. Okay, now insert the shoulder joint into the shoulder socket. Once it's fitted, attach it to Broly's upper body. The upper body is all set now. This hand looks much more powerful. Let's stick with this hand for now. All right. Next, let's work on his lower body. I suggest you do the same and start by locating the knees, because the knees have a unique shape. So I don't think you need to tell left and right apart for them. It's shaped like a downward pointing triangle. First, find the upper and lower sections of the knees. You can see it looks like this. It hangs down flat like this. This doesn't look quite right. We need to clean it up manually. You can see this is marked R4, which stands for the upper part. I'll grab the R5 piece. It refers to the lower part. Now find the thickest cylinder among these TPU pieces. Then push it in. Okay, this is our knee joint. Next, insert the red cylinder from the upper part. Then put on the right thigh piece, the pants section. Okay. Then below is the longest red TPU octagonal prism. Just push this end in the same way. And there's a spherical notch on this side. Now the leg is assembled. Then attach this crotch piece on top of the legs. The leg assembly is now complete. Next up are the feet parts. I'll install R6 and R7 first. This is the ankle. Okay. After assembly, insert the ankle into the leg. Next are the shoe parts. Find the longest piece among all the TPU parts. Then slide it in place. Okay. Then let's keep going. First, find this octagonal prism with a flat base. It needs to fit against the sole of the shoe, so its base is flat too. Find the flat side and insert it into the foot part. Then insert it into the shoe. Okay, now one foot is done. We need to attach this joint to the crotch area. All right, let's work on the other leg. Now let's put the skirt on. Then attach Broly's body. The entire Broly model is now finished. Oh, there's also a necklace. So we need to take the head off first. Okay. That's all for the Broly assembly tutorial. Wish you all happy printing and have fun. Bye!